Garticus. We'll have that one soon come.
The people in the market again, farmer man just coming from the farm, you're not for ask it. And I told you, I've got some fresh food for the people in the market.
All right, so our next guest is the proud winner of the 2025 Sustainable Farming Competition, and he hails from the vibrant community of Brownstown. He's the innovative mind behind Ty Lynn's Farm. Please welcome farmer and entrepreneur Shane Lynn Cook. Good morning, Shane. How are you?
I'm fine. Good morning.
Good. Big up. Good to see you.
Big up.
First time here, right?
Yes, this is my first time here.
Welcome to Smile, man. Welcome to Smile. Congratulations on winning the 2025 Sustainable Farming Competition. Just quickly, tell us what that was about.
So wait, which one?
The farming competition, yeah. Well,
or Israel Tech, right? Yes.
The one for which you won the, yeah.
Right. So basically the requirements were to upload your farm and what you're doing, and to explain what sustainable practices you're implementing. Mm-hmm. So following that, then I got a call a couple weeks down saying that, hey, you are the winner.
Yeah.
And some more stuff were followed.
Yeah.
Came to the farm and I got some goodies.
Yeah. You don't tell us all that you won. What sustainable practices do you carry out at your farm? What makes your farm so sustainable in terms of its approach to agriculture?
So the main thing, it's the hydroponics. So the circulation of water, the water harvesting as well, yeah, is part of that. I would classify the solar, it is run by a solar system, yeah, classify that as sustainable, yeah, as well. As sustainable is, it fits right there.
Right, so your carbon footprint for operating the farm is very limited. Right. So you make efficient use of water, and right, you use renewable energy sources as well to power that system. Right. When you decided to implement that particular hydroponic system, as well as to power it by solar energy, were you thinking of the competition, or were you just in your own mind as Shane Lynn Cook, like, this is the most ideal way to farm?
So I've been farming for 5 years. Yeah. So last year, being with the struggles and everything, it was just me trying to find a loophole, mm-hmm, for getting more crop with less work and less energy as well. Also, labor was an issue as well. Mm-hmm. It's very hard to get like 2 guys at least to come and work for you. And even if they come, then the work isn't good, mm-hmm, enough, right? So hydroponics was the way. Where I'm at as well, it's far away from any sort of current. So it would be very expensive for me to
get electricity there.
Right, so solar would have been the option there.
Yeah.
So
I mean, it's a win-win any way you take it, because right, you're efficiently using water. Yeah. Right. Given the location of the farm, mm-hmm, and its proximity to an electricity supply, you have found a way to ensure that you still can power your operation. Right. Which means you're saving money. Right.
Yes.
You just mentioned labor. You're saving on your labor cost as well.
Right.
So it's really just a big win for you. Describe your farm, acreage, and what do you rear? Livestock, plants,
okay,
and so on.
So now it's just crop production. Mm-hmm. For the future, there is plans to incorporate livestock, but for now it's just crop. It is. Which crops? Lettuce is my main crop right now, and sweet potato. It's 2.5 acres, inclusive of the hydroponic setup. Mm-hmm. It's 50 feet in width, 80 feet
in length.
Mm-hmm. So Right, that's pretty much it.
Well, lettuce and sweet potato, that's an interesting combination. I mean, it sounds like my vegetables on a Sunday. Or any day for that matter. Are you aiming to expand? Just talk a little bit more about, is it Thailand? Did I get it right?
Yes, it's Thailand Farms Produce Limited. So the expansion we're looking at by December. The property that I am on, it's 54 acres. So the plans for it is to cut a road and clear it properly and run plastic mulch and drip hose and then go into like a staggered lettuce production. So I can push out at least 6,000 pounds of lettuce weekly. Wow. So that's the whole idea. The market is there as well. So yeah.
Good. Now, just to kind of go back to the competition, I won't share how much you won in terms of dollar value or actual cash, but you also got a water storage tank, a solar pump, and a number of items, irrigation items to increase your productivity and so on. I mean, how excited were you when you realized, outside of the money, of course, but how excited were you?
Really excited, and I tell you something. Isratech has been doing a similar competition like this for around probably 3 years or so. Right. And I've always applied for it, but I've never won. So, so this time I was like, yeah, man. Yeah.
And you're a young man, you've been farming for 5 years, you say. Encourage, as we close, encourage persons, young people who are interested in farming, because a lot of times you think there's a whole heap of old man out in the bush, sweat and so on, but farming is great stuff for young people.
Right, it can be, it's everything is incorporated in it as well. It can be really fun. Yeah. So, and it's good to have your product out there as well and add to that food security here in Jamaica. So I'd encourage all youths, you know, not even if you can plant a small amount, plant something.
Yeah. What got you interested in farming in the first place?
Friends. I have a lot of friends that they have.
Other young people?
Right, young people. Rohan Roberts from Christian has a large potato farm, you know, so that caught my attention. The whole, it looks very pleasing and, right.
Good stuff. No, man, I'm so happy for you. I'm so excited for you. And I know that the Minister of Agriculture is watching. So he's pretty excited to see all of this good stuff. So congratulations again.
Yes, thank you.
Happy to have you, and we wish you all the very best as you expand and continue to grow your farm. And hopefully a lot more young people will follow your example. As money in the thing too. We're not going to talk about that right now, but we know some money in that. All right. So that was farmer and owner of Thailand's Farm, Shane Lynn Cook. Coming up next, how does a community rocked by murder find a way to heal? We'll discuss it after the break. Stay with us on Smile.